grandmother. Yeah.
Cool! Hey man, can you help me clean out my traveling van? It's kind of gnarly in there and I'm picking up some weird vibes.
Flowers. Trust. Pizza too. Trust. Trust is in there.
You got anything to help out with the smell?
Nope. I want the donut. Yep.
Alright, that's looking a lot better. So, I'm trying to go fully green, man. Could you switch my, battery out to something that really vibes with my style? This? I was gonna get this. The potato ones? No. Like this one? No, I don't think so. That's what she wants? Oh, that's what she said? Uh-oh. Oh, I love it. It's totally green.
Uh-oh. Which one is it? She wants me to push that one button. Yep.
Alright, human, that looks good. I'll see what I can do about this bill.
What? Can I do one more?